Hey guys, it's James with Auto Odometer, and Loftek reached out to me and asked if I would feature this vacuum cleaner in one of my videos. So here we got the charging cord, the long tube that has two connections on each end, a scrub brush, a long nozzle brush, and an extra filter. So here's the handheld vacuum by itself. And my first impression on it was how it was extremely lightweight and easy to carry. So this is what I was really looking forward to. I currently have a shop vac that the long nozzle is just too big to fit in the cracks and crevices like this, even with the seat adjusted fully forward and fully backwards. And especially if you have a car detailing business and you run into all different types of sizes of seats, big, small, and you might not want to adjust the seat for the customer. Something like this would be perfect just to be able to reach in the small cracks like that and clean it up as best as possible. Another feature that I really liked about this handheld vacuum was this small crevice tool that you could hook directly to the end of the vacuum. And you are able to get this threshold area that's really difficult to clean with a crevice tool from some of the shop vacs. It was small enough to get the really fine pieces of dirt stuck on the edge of the carpet here at the threshold of the door. The one thing that I was disappointed about with this vacuum was it seemed difficult to pick up anything very quickly. It seemed that you had to run over a spot multiple times. That could have been that I only let it charge for about 30 minutes when I got it out of the box. It asked that you charge it for about 4 hours. And after charging it for another hour beyond the use that I used it here, it did seem that it was a little bit more powerful. But to really put it to the test, let's go ahead and take some chips and some salt and then see how it does. And what I liked about this vacuum was that it came with two filters. So I'll go ahead and use the second filter just to make sure it has the best sucking power as possible. So there you have it. It's taken about 5 passes to get a nice clean strip right through the center of these two pieces of piles of salt and chips, which might not be very impressive, but for it being a small handheld vacuum, it's not too bad. Some of the larger vacuums just have a stronger and bigger motor. So if you look at the pros and cons of this, I would say the pros are that you can quickly clean up a spill. It might take a few passes, but it definitely does clean it up. Leaves the carpet looking pretty nice. You don't have to have a power cord, and sometimes with those large shop vacs, you might even need an extension cord if you don't have an outlet nearby. This handheld vacuum is definitely lightweight, and that's one of the features that I like about it. You can also charge it inside your house and then just take off the power cord and go mobile with it, if you will. Simply store it in your utility room whenever you need it. Now the cons of this little vacuum, I'd say that the suction power is kind of mediocre. It's not the greatest for such a small vacuum. And then it seemed like it was taking quite a long time to charge it. There's a little green indicator light that once the light turned from red to green that it was fully charged. So it did take quite a while. So if you guys enjoyed that video, hit that like and subscribe to the channel for more detailing and how to take care of your car tips. If you guys want to purchase one of these vacuums, head down into the description, click the Amazon link, and you can get one there. Until next time, thanks for watching.